Look, there are so many different ways that you can make money as a copywriter, and that's why in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can make over $5,000 every single month as a copywriter. And also, I'm going to be providing proof that these methods work by sharing screenshots with you of people actually doing what I'm showing you. Now, look, the first and most notable way to actually make money as a copywriter is by writing email assets. Now, if you're wondering what an email asset is and what's the difference between that and just a regular email, well, an email asset is actually much more valuable than just a marketing email. And look, emails are one of the most reliable ways to make money as a copywriter because it's recurring and it's one of the highest ROI activities that you can do as far as marketing campaigns are concerned. Now, you might have heard in the past that you can get $40 in return for every $1 you spend with email marketing. But there's an interesting method that I've found out with emails that can actually make them 10 times more valuable than that. But by only sending out their emails to their whole list as a daily broadcast email, they're actually missing out on tons of potential profits. And I'm going to show you exactly how. You see, when it comes to an asset is something that can be used to actually bring in more revenue. It's something that has a value. And the reason why these emails that you're going to write are valuable assets are because they can be used over and over and over again to generate profit. You see, there have been times where I've sent out one email and it's gotten $10,000 or more. And then a couple months later, I sent out essentially the exact same email. More people book calls, more people get closed on the sales call, and more people actually buy. We make another few $1,000s. But look, not only can these emails be used over and over and over again, they can also be repurposed into alternative types of content. For example, I've had emails that are complete hits. The angle is right, the copy is right, and everything about it just goes hard. So what do? I repurpose that email into an Instagram post or a YouTube community post, or even I talk about it in a reel. If I find one thing that people are highly interested in, well, I can use that email in so many different aspects of my business. Needless to say, these emails are far more valuable than so many people realize. And if you're able to convey that value over to your client, then you are going to be making a lot of money, because honestly, $200 per email is a steal if you really think about it. And all you really need to do is write one email a day and you'll be racking up over $6,000 every single month with email copywriting. But of course, that is all just theory. So let's actually hop into some screenshots so I can show you some people who are actually winning with emails. So right here, you can see a guy named Tay Rax, and he just closed $3,000 upfront fee with a 10% commission on automation for 6 months. So this guy's not only going to be making money upfront, but he's also going to be making money on the back end month after month after month passively with his emails. And then of course we have my man Denny over here, who's making $2,000 every single month on a 12-month contract. So not only is that recurring revenue, but that's also reliable revenue. And they also hooked him up with a MacBook Pro and some other stuff just for helping out with a little bit of email and SMS marketing. Guys, I don't know about you, but that's nuts, okay? I did not get benefits like this when I was back working my 9 to 5. So I would take writing emails over 9 to 5 any day of the week. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. And the next method that I'm about to share with you to make you over $5,000 every single month with copywriting is by using landing pages and sales pages. Now look, in case you didn't know, a landing page / sales page essentially is like a website. There is no about us page, there is no testimonials page, and its one goal is to get you to purchase a product. Now, as you can probably imagine, the headline and all the copy on that page is highly crucial to how the campaign and how the product is actually going to sell. And of course, the crazy part is that you can charge over $2,000 just for writing one sales page or landing page. So again, let's do the math. When it comes down to it, all you really need to do is write up 2 or 3 of these sales pages every single month, and you're going to be racking in over $5,000 a month with copywriting. And of course, I would like to share with you some people who have done the exact same thing, like our friend Dennis over here, who just closed $1.5K for a sales page. And then of course we have Daniel, who has closed another $1,500 for a landing page and a welcome sequence, and then another $1,500 for the exact same thing for someone else's business as well. So that's $3,000 for 2 landing pages and a couple of welcome sequence emails. And now it's certainly worth mentioning that you can mix and match these different offers, how I'm about to show you, and you can start making money with email marketing and with emails and with sales pages and with the next method that I'm about to share with you. And of course, that perfectly leads me into my third method of making over $5,000 every single month with copywriting, which is writing VSLs, which is video sales letters, and advertisements. Now, one way that copywriting is often overlooked is that a lot of people think that copywriting is just words on a page, but it doesn't have to be just words on a page. Oftentimes, copywriting is also the script. You see advertisement after advertisement after advertisement on things like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook every single day. But what you probably probably don't take into account is that all of those ads were created by a copywriter. And then if you ever click on those ads and then go to the actual sales page, like I've spoken about to you guys before, usually there's a little video explaining what is actually in the product, how it helps you, and some other things. Now guys, these are some other huge ways that you can use copywriting to bring in a lot of money. And of course, a perfect example of this is actually Iman Gaji in his copywriter. In case you don't know, the most viewed video on Iman Gaji's YouTube page is essentially a video sales letter. Yeah, sure, he gives some value and actually brings you through how to do whatever he's showing you how to do, but then at the end, there's a call to action to go to his sales page and join his program. Now, this whole video was actually created and written by his copywriter. And now the deal that they had is a commission split, meaning the copywriter earns a little bit of that money that Iman makes from that video every single month. And that one video, Iman admits, is still making him millions of dollars every single month, even to this day, which means that copywriter is absolutely raking it in just from writing one 30-minute video. And now this gives you the potential to not only be making over $5,000 every single month, but to be also earning passive income so that you can be making $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, even over $18,000 every single month, just like my student Zenos here. But hold up, now that you know all these different ways that you can make over $5,000 every single month with copywriting, the only thing that you need is some clients to sell these offers to. So if you want more copywriting clients, make sure you go down below and download the free Ultimate Outreach Playbook, where I show you step by step exactly how I close copywriting clients, and you can check out some of the free courses on screen now. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.